Judge Torres winks verdict in SEC case against XRP Ripple. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman recently advised the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to go after crypto exchanges that supported Ripple's XRP token. However, in a recent interaction with Fox Business journalist Torres, Sherman made another claim against the token. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. It seems that the patience of the crypto community has come to an end in light of a new initiative to remove Gary Gensler from the post of chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. A group of enthusiasts has created a petition accusing the former head of the CFTC and the current head of the SEC of obstruction of justice for non-compliance with laws relating to open short sales and for failing to provide competent supervision of market makers, citing an investigation into Citadel Securities. The SEC is pursuing companies like Ripple that are completely transparent in their activities, instead of really protecting investors. At the moment, the petition is on the website change.org signed by more than 20,000 people. Although the mechanism does not require a certain number of signatures, it is believed that when 100,000 signatures are reached, the petition must be considered by the authorities. It is possible that Citadel Securities pushed the authors to create a petition. Recall that the company was accused of unfair trading and market making in relation to GameStop shares, using the Robinhood broker and buying customer order data from him. However, it seems that most of the signatories are participating in the initiative because of their dissatisfaction with the rhetoric of the head of the SEC regarding cryptocurrencies, a market that Gensler calls the Wild West. It was under Gensler that the regulator took a tougher stance on digital assets. The SEC's more aggressive approach, calling certain tokens securities, is alarming to the crypto community, as it may cause problems for the industry. Such a label causes strict requirements for investor protection. Crypto enthusiasts say that many of these restrictions are incompatible with digital assets. Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty considers it absurd for the SEC to comply with its standard market rules. He says, "I would rethink the logic of the statement that crypto markets should be subject to the jurisdiction of the SEC, because it's like saying that electric car drivers don't need seatbelts. In fact, it's more like punishing electric car drivers for not using gas stations owned and controlled by the SEC." Quote, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler said the agency has rules on capital markets to protect the integrity of the market as well as to ensure investor protection. Gensler added, "If a company creates a cryptocurrency market that protects investors and meets the standards of our market regulation, people are likely to trust this market more." Quote, however, in its current form, Gensler did not present a roadmap of how exactly greater trust will be built. To this end, Alderoty stressed the urgent need for reasonable regulation of cryptocurrencies by the United States, while at the same time calling the SEC's approach intimidation in a recent article. Alderoty referred to Sherman's unusual remarks during the oversight hearing on the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC Enforcement Division held last week by the House Subcommittee on Financial Services, at which Sherman raised the Ripple lawsuit. In December 2020, the SEC sued Ripple for allegedly raising funds by selling XRP, which at the time was the third largest cryptocurrency, without registering it as a security. "I would rethink the logic of saying that crypto markets have to succumb to SEC jurisdiction. BC That's like saying drivers of electric cars don't need seatbelts. It's actually more like punishing electric car drivers BC they don't use SEC-owned and controlled gas stations." Persist Technology, a partner of Ripple, has announced that it has published the first version of the National Land Registry of Colombia. The document can be found on the website of the National Land Agency of Colombia. People interested in viewing the document can do so by searching for the file number 11774 on the website of the National Land Agency. According to Persist, the document was prepared in cooperation with the National Land Agency of Colombia, Agencia Tierras, and Ripple. "We are pleased to announce that we have just launched the first version of National Land Registry together with Agencia Tierras and with the support of Ripple to register the first judicial resolution in Colombia on XRPL," said Persist. We are pleased to announce that we have just launched the first version of #NATIONALLANDREGISTRY together with Agencia Torres and with the support of Ripple to register the first judicial resolution in Colombia on #XRPL. It is noteworthy that the development is the result of a year's work carried out by Pearsist in collaboration with the National Land Agency of Colombia and Ripple. The solution is based on the Ripple XRP ledger, XRPL. With this decision, the Colombian government plans to register 100,000 court decisions in the short term to strengthen citizens' confidence in the program. As reported, attorney Jeremy Hogan, a partner at the law firm Hogan Hogan, noted the importance of the decision, saying that the Colombian National Land Registry with Ripple's participation demonstrates an excellent example of the usefulness of XRP. Thus, despite the boredom, the XRPL Colombia partnership is an excellent example of the usefulness of cryptocurrency. Immutable, for some reason I like this word. A record of land registration, time, stamped, searchable and inherently trustworthy is an ideal way to use the BLOCKCHAIN registry. Ripple, a popular blockchain company, has been recognized by the San Francisco Business Times as the third most generous philanthropist in the San Francisco Bay Area. Last year, the company's monetary contribution to Bay Area charities exceeded $54 million. Ripple entered the top 5 along with defense giant Lockheed Martin and technology conglomerate Cisco. Sobrado Organization, a real estate investment company from Mountain View, ranks first with deposits of more than $92 million. Ripple has entered into a partnership agreement with the nonprofit organization Tipping Point from San Francisco to improve economic mobility in the region. Back in 2018, he also promised to allocate $25 million for initiatives to expand access to financial services. One of the latest initiatives was the creation of a playground and community garden in the Bay Area community in Oakland, California. The platform was created in partnership with Stephen Aisha Curry's Eat, Learn, Play Foundation this summer, as Ripple reported in its recently published financial report for the second quarter of 2022. It is buying XRP on the secondary market. The blockchain company noted that the purpose of the XRP buyback initiative is to sell the acquired crypto asset to enterprises using on-demand liquidity, ODL. According to Ripple, the implementation of their ODL solution grew significantly in the previous quarter. The report notes that the volume of ODL has grown 9 times year on year. It is noteworthy that ODL customers use this solution not only for internal money transfers and individual payments, but also for mass payments and treasury flows. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.